Most salespeople spend 70% of their time performing non-selling tasks. Stuff like filling in CRMs and manually searching for information about the customer. Only 30% of their time salespeople spend actually selling. How bizarre is that sentence? Salespeople selling only a third of their time? What? Now imagine, what if you could double or triple the time that your sales team spends selling? And on top of that, provide your team with relevant information so they could close even more. Well, I'm about to explain to you how Piper AI can help you do just that. And after that explanation, I'll give you a full Piper AI tutorial so you could try it out today for completely free. Let's begin. Piper AI is designed to do two things. First, Piper's goal is to eliminate any administrative tasks. You know how after a call you have to go back to your CRM and fill in important fields? Like your prospect's budget, their goals, answers to any questions you ask. Basically, all of this information that could be forgotten, by the way, is taken care of by Piper. Everything starts way before the meeting. Let me explain. Before the meeting even starts, Piper will scrape all the past interactions you had with the lead. This way you're always on the same page with the prospect. Not only that, Piper will give you a few questions that could help you build that relationship with your prospect and close the deal. And in the meeting, Piper carefully listens. Everything is transcribed and Piper scans the conversation to find specific ideas or details that might be important to you. And after the call, the information Piper got is automatically filled into your CRM. Meaning you don't have to scratch your head and think, when is your lead launching a new campaign? Was it Friday this week or Friday next week? No more note-taking. Now your whole focus is on selling. Thing is, I'm not done yet, and Piper isn't done either. Once the call is over, the information has snuggled into your CRM, and Piper will tell you what to do next. Any follow-up emails, scheduling next calls, whatever you need to do next will be done, or Piper will help you do it. Now let me show you how to set Piper up. Onboarding Piper AI is relatively simple. First, you'll be asked for calendar permissions. Pretty obvious because Piper AI needs to know your past and future sales calls. Second, you want to add your company name and description. After that, you'll see how Piper works, analyzing all of your calls and emails to generate insights and notes and prepare you for the next call. Learn how to manage Piper AI, send it to past calls or add guidelines, prepare for a call or view past call transcriptions. Next, you'll see an overview of a call. And lastly, adjust the settings like bot name, which calls should be recorded, and that's pretty much it. Once that's done, you'll have full access to Piper, see any upcoming meetings, all the past ones and their information, as well as an option to upload an audio file for transcription. As you can see, Piper won't really work if your calendar is empty. Because of that, I suggest you have Piper working alongside Agent Frank, an AI SDR that fully automates outbound, sending emails and booking sales calls on autopilot. You can learn more about Agent Frank in this video. Peace.